Hi everyone, I'm here just want to encourage you about or for all the singles out there who are listening this video. I want you to encourage about waiting for the right man or right woman you're desiring for to have like partner in life. All I want to say to you, just wait for the right time that God give to you the man or the woman you desire, like what God did to me. He gave to me the right man I desire on the right time. For how many years and months and how many ages I waited. At last, God gave to me my heart's desire. And all I can encourage to you is to hold this process. I always put in my heart and mind to encourage me in God's word. God's words that Proverbs 3:5 that trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. I keep saying that to myself every time I feel discouraged being single for how many years. But now I'm not single anymore. I'm very, very happy with my life now, with my partner to be that God gave to me. At last, God answered my prayer for how many years I've waited, and how I thank God for all of that. So, all the ladies out there, all the men out there, wait, patiently wait, and always pray, and do your best to serve God always. Thank you.